what a crazy Bitcoin move did we see here yesterday out of this rising wedge here. Now, the obvious question is, how high can Bitcoin here still go before we see a severe correction? And the most important question, when will this correction happening, if it's actually happening? That's something that I want to talk about today. So definitely stick around for this. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important Bitcoin updates. So, and first of all, before I go here straight away into the content, I want to point out that yesterday, on my yesterday's video, I was not completely wrong. So I admit I was wrong with the potential direction in terms of how high Bitcoin can actually go before we see then a massive correction to the downside. So, but I'm still quite certain that we could be still in a bull trap. And let me show you now why here in the content. So here now on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin clearly has broken out here massively to the upside, all the way up here with today's candle going to $37,820, which is insane. So, and now Bitcoin is actually trying to push here higher again. So, and I had told you guys yesterday the unlikelier scenario would be that Bitcoin would break it to the upside, but also that we have seen this in the past happening. So, and that we most like, so that there is at least a chance that this could happen. So if we see the Bitcoin price here getting, staying closer to the top of this rising wedge and then obviously breaking out of it, and that was exactly what was happening. We broke through this bigger resistance block here, so that is now obviously support. So, and it's not only support, it's also the neckline of this W pattern that we see here. So, and if you can remember when I had mentioned this a while back, so even though if we just take it until here, so from top to bottom is how we can measure this. So now we take this to the breakout point where we broke the neckline. So that gives us a price target of almost $54,600 in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price, where the Bitcoin price could potentially go before we see here any major retrace. But there are also other levels that we have to watch out for. So, and that is here on the daily chart. Here this downwards falling broadening wedge here that obviously also has now broken to the upside, and we have also broken here this key resistance area of $45,100. So, and here also you see we are really close to the technical target of the W pattern on the weekly chart, here on the daily chart at $53,352. So because that is from where the downward sloping resistance line was starting out from this falling wedge. So you see we have here already a lot of confluence pointing to that Bitcoin can potentially go here to over $50,000 in the immediate short term. So before we see here any massive correction to the downside. So, but that doesn't mean that we cannot see any smaller drops here on the way all the way up here to 50,000, because we should not forget $50,000 is a key price area and also psychological barrier for the Bitcoin price. So we could potentially see Bitcoin coming up to 50,000 and then a small retracement and then actually get over this and go here higher. Exactly what I had predicted here with the $45,000 area, what actually was playing out. We see this when we go here to the daily, to the hourly chart. So you can see here we were going under this level for quite a while, sideways couple of hours, and then we broke here massively through, also with a lot of volume. So which is also just an indication that the bulls have stepped in here with this push here to the upside. So when you compare these small volume candles that we had before here in this sideways chop, this candle is at least 20 times higher than what we have seen here in this area. So there came massive volume in. So, and also follow through, we see here that, overall the volume candles in the last couple of hours, they're way higher than everything what we have seen all the way down here. So, which points to that, we definitely could see here way more upside before we are seeing here any downside, especially while the Bitcoin price is getting still supported here by this upward sloping support line. So obviously that will change the moment that we break it. So because then we have a break of the trend, and then obviously we have to look where could the Bitcoin price actually drop to. So here my initial area that I would be looking out for would be here the $45,133 area that we could come down to on the hourly chart. So when we are going here into higher time frames, then we see, yeah, this is kind of like in alignment also with the 4-hourly chart, and here on the daily chart, also there here with this bigger support block that we have here. So that would be most likely the area where the Bitcoin price could come back to retest this, and then actually see here a massive rocket ship going up. So then to the upside, so as I had told you guys, the next target should be between $52,000, $53,000. So if you're not right now in a trade position, so what would I do? Because I closed yesterday my trade, as you guys have seen. I have not opened a new one. Where would I open now a new trade position? So let's have a look here. I had here on one chart, it's the wrong computer, that's the wrong laptop. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I had another resistance area drawn out on my other computer here. What? So when I zoom in here, you will understand why that is also a crucial area to watch. See here, a lot of wicks came touching this area. We can actually expand this here, potentially up this. So here you can see that. So here we had a touch point. So here we had small breakouts. So it makes actually a lot of sense to have this here all the way up here. So that is now a strong resistance level for the Bitcoin price. So, and that's also where we got rejected here. If I zoom here more in. So you see we stepped into this, and then the Bitcoin price got rejected from there to the downside. And now we are trying to break here into this level again. So I would open a new trade position when the Bitcoin price is getting here closer again and breaking into the zone, because then we could actually see here the same what we have seen down here, a massive follow through here through this resistance, and just bigger move here to the upside. So right now I'm waiting either for a retracement back down to the $45,000 level to open their position, or a break into this resistance block with a 1-hourly or 4-hourly close with follow through. Then I would also open a new trade position. But otherwise I'm sitting on the sidelines and wait here. So another reason why we obviously have moved here crazy to the upside is that we have broken here out of this bearish divergence that I had shown yesterday here. So the RSI had here also massive jump to the upside, and it's going here sideways right now in the 80% area, so which is a little bit overextended but still fine. So, and yeah, right now I'm just waiting to see what's happening here in the immediate short term. So obviously when we break here the trend, then we can be most certain that we'll come down to $45,000 to open the position. So, and yeah, if we break higher, then we open their position. Guys, if you also want to trade, then don't forget you can still go here under my video. You can go under my video. There you still get $8,700 in bonuses. On BYBIT, $4,620 absolutely for free, only with my link here under my video. And on Phemex also $4,100 in bonus, also only for using my link. Don't forget this, guys. So, and there is actually also a new project that I want to talk about that's coming out really, really soon. So it's an NFT project. So, and that one is, I have never seen something like this. So this could be absolutely insane. So and this is called OMNI Society. So what does OMNI Society? So first of all, it's 10,101 unique 3D NFTs. So and they are looking like this here, just to give you an example how they're kind of looking like. Actually, I like this futuristic design of them also. So, but what are the benefits of having one of these NFTs? So first of all, that they will integrate you with Atom projects. So what is Atom? So Atom is a venture capital firm. So and that will give you access to whitelist spots for holding an NFT. So here you can see this. Holders of at least 3 OMNI will be eligible for airdrops and whitelists for NFT projects launched by our venture capital Atom. They will also benefit from the initial distribution of the Atom token proportionally to their holdings. So there that's already amazing that you will be rewarded for holding 3 OMNIs with the possibility to get here whitelist and airdrops with these NFTs. So then they have staking, where you can also stake for specific NFTs. So you will have a Theater of Digital Arts membership in Dubai, and you can also be take part in the DAO that they will have, the OMNI DAO. So and why I'm so super bullish on this project? So I'm super bullish because that is not just somebody creating this. So let me go through this here. That was, let me see. Actually, it was in the light paper, I think. So here I have the light paper. So and here it was definitely written what I wanted to show you guys. So about the creators. So here you can see here. So this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. So and it is designed by world-leading artists from Netflix, HBO, MTV. So and the team behind this is a collection of people that is featured in Entrepreneur, Forbes, and Bloomberg. So and that is absolutely insane. So there is massive backing behind this project. So and I can tell you that Bored 8 Yard Club is also part of their community. So and you can imagine what's going to happen once they have the minting and the whitelist open for minting this project. So this will, in my opinion, go absolutely insane once this will be on OpenSea. So and here comes now something really amazing for you guys. So because this project gave me 10 whitelist spots for you guys. So you have the chance to get a whitelist spot to mint one of these NFTs. So and the only thing that you have to do, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, you have to subscribe, you have to like this video. So and you have to join my free Telegram channel. The link is also in the pinned comment below and in the video description. So that is the and follow me on my Twitter account. So these are the 4 criteria that you have to fulfill to be eligible to win one of these whitelist spots. I will in 2 weeks do a lottery live who actually won the whitelist spot. So or the 10 people that won the whitelist spot. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like this video, then join the free Telegram channel and follow me on my Twitter account. So that are the 4 criteria that you have to meet. And I will put these criteria also in the video description so that, if you missed it, you can read again about this. So now let's get here back to the Ethereum content. So because also Ethereum is going here absolutely bollocks right now. So I had shown you that we are trading here in this upwards trading channel. So and that the Ethereum price was coming up here to test this top area of this channel. So and we can see here that the Ethereum price is now slightly breaking out of this. So and has here touched already our $3,355 target. So congratulations to everyone that was able to take this trade, while I was pointing out that this is the next target for Ethereum. So now obviously the next target. So what is the next target? The next target here. So that is the 0.5 Fibonacci extension level, the $3,511 for Ethereum. Once we're breaking here above 3,355, So that there we have to close at least an hourly candle or a 4-hourly candle close, and the next candle obviously continue to push it to the upside. And the next trade that we can take on Ethereum, if you are standing on the sidelines right now, I would wait for a 4-hourly close above the $3,355 level to open a new position, and then trade this here to $3,511 respectively. And from there then to our main target for the immediate short term, to the golden ratio of $3,830 and $3,916. So that is my next Ethereum price target here. So, and I will have soon also a new challenge coming up where I will trade a really small Ethereum amount to a really big Ethereum amount. I have done this in the past. I will show you proof that I've actually achieved this once already. So, and I want to repeat this, but this time I want to document this on YouTube. So, so if you're interested in this, also let me know in the comments below if I should make here an Ethereum trading challenge from a really small amount to an at least 3 digits Ethereum amount. Let me know. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Don't forget that I have also still here my Signets channel. So in my Signets channel, we are smashing it here in the last couple of days here like crazy. So before I let you go, guys, have a look here at these amazing results from our AMCrypto paid Signets channel. So my assistant has sent me this today here from my trading staff that is helping me with the channel. So we have, the month is not even over, and we have achieved over 1,000% right now with the trading channel. So we are really crushing it every single day in this channel. It's absolutely massive what's happening right there. I could not believe this when I saw this, because we achieved this with only 3x leverage. So it's a really more or less on the more safer side of leverage, and not too risky, just to use 3x. So, and there you can see it. We have achieved over 1,000% with 3x leverage, and only 5 trades in total hit stop loss out of 68. So that is absolutely crazy. Guys, if you want to be part of the channel also, in under my video here, there you see there's also a link to get to my paid Signets group. Here with this link, there you get directly in touch with my staff, and they can help you out and hook you up with the channel. And don't forget, here's also the link to the free channel where we exchange ideas, talk about different prices and projects. Also, don't miss out on that. Guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.